So in this video, we're asked to write a method called countDuplicate that returns the number of duplicates that are in a sorted list. So here's going to be, sorry. Okay. So what it's going to do is it's going to attribute two duplicates of one because there are two excess ones in the list. Then there's going to be 1, 3, 115, 2 23s, and 140. So adding that all up together, the excess numbers is going to be equal to 7. So let's get started. We need to return an integer, and our method is called countDuplicates. And let's actually take a look at what we need to do. So we need to be able to traverse through our list. So we're going to have a temporary variable, which is going to point at the front. We're going to say while the current .next happens to not be equivalent to null. The reason why we have this check here is because we're going to be comparing the current to the next value to see as to whether or not they're the same. And we also need to make sure that the current is not null. So while this happens here, we need to say if the current.data happens to be equal to the current.next.data, we want to increment some value here, and that value is going to be duplicates. So we want to say duplicates plus plus. It doesn't matter as to whether or not we've seen a duplicate or not, because we still want to be able to traverse through the list. And then what we want to do at the end is we just want to return the duplicate count. So let's submit this. So we got one error, and okay, so we pass in empty, and that error exists right here because we're trying to call next on a null value. So I think we should be able to safely get around this and just kind of switch the orders of our conditions here. And there we go.